morning students. Today we will start with the practice set 3.6 question number 2. Question number 1 I have already solved. Now question number 2, this first question, you look at this question. X squared minus x the whole square minus 8 into x squared minus x plus 12. We have to factorize this polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial, but in this form it is very difficult to factorize. So therefore we will bring it into a simple quadratic polynomial. So therefore let us take, you can see that x squared minus x is similar to this x squared minus x. So let us take letter x squared minus x be is equal to as a, suppose any other variable you take other than x. So therefore when we substitute this in the polynomial here, it is a squared minus 8a plus 12. We got a very simple quadratic polynomial. Therefore, now we will factorize it by using the by splitting the middle term, which you have already learned in question number 1. So take the first term and the last term, coefficient of first term and the last term, that is 1 into 12 is 12 only. 12 you factorize it as such that you should get the coefficient minus 8 of the middle term. Or it can be like this way also, that is first term into the last term, that is 12 into a square is 12a square. Now 12a square has to be split in such a way that you get add or subtract, you should get minus 8a, and if you multiply you should get 12a square. So 6 2s is 12, you know. 6 plus 2 is equal to as 8. If I take this minus 6a and minus 6a, minus into minus I'll get plus 12. Yes. And a into a squared. So minus 6a and minus 2a, if I simplify, I will get it as minus 8a. So therefore the middle term is split as minus 6a and minus 2a. So a squared minus 6a minus 2a plus 12. So this is equal to as, now here it is equal to as a squared. These two terms are there, take out common, a into a minus 6. Then minus 2 is common here. Minus into minus is plus a. Minus into plus is minus 2. 6 is 12. So you got one common factor as a minus 6. The other one is a minus 2. But this is not the original factor of the given question. Therefore, resubstituting the value of substituting a equal to as x squared minus x. So in place of a we get it as what? X squared minus x minus 6 into, now again this is x squared minus x minus 2. Now again we have got these two as the given question is factorized as two quadratic polynomials, factors of two quadratic polynomials. These are the factors. Now again we can factorize this if it is, we can split it by the middle term. So try to split this, yes, minus 6x squared. See whether you get the middle term. 6 has got the factors as 2 and 3. 2 3 is 6 or 6 1 is 6. No other factors. So let us take now 2 plus 3 is equal to as 5. But we want minus 1 here. So if I take it this as a minus and this as plus. So plus into minus is minus 6, that is plus 2x, and this is as minus 3x. Plus to minus is minus, and if I simplify, plus 2x and minus 3x will give you as minus x. Therefore this quadratic polynomial can be factorized, again refactorize it. So therefore here this will be split as x squared minus plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. So again this is, these two terms have x as common, x into x plus 2, and here minus 3 comes out as common. So minus to minus is plus x, minus to minus is plus 3 2 is 6. So we have got the factors as x plus 2, and the other factor as x minus 3. So this quadratic polynomial is factorized as again 2 factors. Now let us see whether this second factor as a quadratic polynomial whether this also can be factorized or not. So here minus 2x squared, first term and the last term you take. This should be split as such a way that you get a middle term as minus 1. So 2 has got the factors as 2 on the 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. But here we have to get minus 1 and this is plus. If I take this as like this way, if I multiply, I am going to get plus into minus is minus 2 on the 2 x into x squared. And if I simplify, minus 2x plus x is equal to minus x. This is the middle term. So again this also can be split. So therefore we take this as x squared, then minus 2x plus x and minus 2. So this is here again first two terms x into x minus 2 will come out. Then here nothing is common means plus 1 into x plus to minus is minus 2. So we got the factors as here the common one, that is x minus 2, and the other one is x plus 1 in this form. Therefore, the given polynomial is factorized as this is equal to 1, 2, 3 factors. Sometimes it so happens that in these two quadratic polynomials cannot be splitted. So it may be only 2 factors. Either if this such type of question is given, either you may get only 2 factors, or either you may get 3 factors, or either you may get 4 factors. Now let us solve the next question, that is second one, x minus 5 the whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. We have nothing common here. So we'll try here, see we can take out 5 common. So x minus 5 the whole square minus 5 into x minus 5 is 25. Minus 25. Now see, x minus 5 here it is common. So therefore let us take, let x minus 5 be is equal to as a. So we have, therefore we have got a squared minus 5a minus 24. So this is a simple quadratic polynomial. Now we can split this taking first term, product of first term and the last term, that is minus 24. So we have got minus 24a squared must be split in such a way that we get minus 5a as the middle term, add or subtract means. So here 3 8s is 8 3s is 24, 8 minus 3 you will get 5. Yes, so sign of the greater number, sign middle term sign is minus. So greater number put minus sign and this is plus sign. So a here. If I multiply, minus to plus is minus, 8 is 24, a into a square. If I simplify, minus 8a plus 3a is equal to as minus 5a. So therefore this is split as, middle term is split as a minus 8a and plus 3a. A squared minus 8a plus 3a minus 24. So here we get these two terms, a is common, a minus 8. The next two term is 3 is plus 3 is common here, plus 3, 3 plus to plus plus a plus to minus minus 3 8 is 24. So a minus 8 is one factor, the other one is a plus 3. So therefore we have got two factors. Again we can resubstitute as like the question number 1. So resubstituting value of the value of A. So A is equal to as we have got A is equal to as x minus 5 minus 8, and the other factor is A is x minus 5 plus 3. So when we solve this, the factors are 8x minus 13, and the other one factor is x minus 2. Sign of the great number. These two numbers if we solve it. So this is the solution we have got directly here. So other questions are the same. Now we go to, now let us solve next question, that is fifth one. Fifth question is very similar to the seventh one, and other all questions are similar to first and second. So fifth I will solve, seventh you have to solve it. Now y plus 2 into y minus 3 into y plus 8 into y plus 3 plus 56 given in this form. These are all in factor form. So we will rearrange this to bring it into a simple quadratic polynomial. So therefore here we get y plus 2 into y plus 3. You write it in this form. Then y minus 3 into y plus 8 plus 56 as it is. Now here, see, we have got two binomials, product of two binomials. So you multiply this, y into y plus 3. Then this plus 2, binomial into binomial, into y plus 3. Into here again next factor we will take it as y into y plus 8 minus 3 into y plus 8 plus 56 as it is. Now here, this is y into y squared plus 3y, then plus 2y and plus 2 3 is 6. In this form we get. Into here again y into y squared plus into plus 8y, then minus into plus is minus 3y, and this minus into plus is minus 3 8 is 24. We get it this form, plus 56 as it is. Now here, see this is, here we have got similar terms, here also similar terms are there. So simplify it, you get y squared plus 5y plus 6. The next one again, it is y squared. Here both the signs have, both the terms are different signs, subtracted, put the sign of the great number. So we get plus 5y minus 24 plus 56. So therefore we have got two quadratic, see two factors in this form, and here you can observe y squared plus 5y, y squared plus 5y are similar in both the brackets. Therefore let us take, let y squared plus 5y be is equal to as a, any other variable. So therefore we have got it as, substituting this a value, here a plus 6. One factor, the other one is a minus 24, we have got plus 56. Now these two are binomials, again we will multiply it. So a into a minus 24 plus 6 into a minus 24 plus 56. So here a into a we have got a squared minus 24a plus 6a, and this is minus 24 into 6, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 2s are 6 2s 12, 13, 14, 144 and plus 56 as it is. Now see here, these two are similar terms, these two are similar terms. So a squared, if we subtract these two, 24 minus 6, this is 8, and here 1, 18. So we have got sign of the correct number minus 18a. And these two, if we simplify, we'll get it as minus sign of the correct number 144 minus 56. You get 14 minus 6 is 8. And this is here 13. 13 minus 5 is again 8. Sign of the correct number minus 88. We have got in this form. Now we have got a very simple quadratic polynomial. Now we can take the first term and the last term, that is my a squared into minus 88. That is minus 88a squared. So split this in such a way that we should get add or subtract, we should get middle term minus 18a. So here 88, see, factorize it, 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 2s are, this is 4. So 22 minus 4 we will get it has 12 minus half, 4 is 8 and this one 18. That means here 18, that means we have got 4. 22 and 4 are the factors here. 22 and 4 are the factors. So 22, now we want minus 18. So middle greater number I put minus and the other one as plus 4. So plus into minus, minus 22 into 4 is 88, a into a squared. Minus 22a and plus 4a, we will get the answer as minus 18a. So therefore we can split this as here as a square minus 22a, then plus 4a and minus 88. So from the first two terms here, a is common into a minus 22. Then from these two terms 4 is common, plus 4 into a minus 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. So we got it in this form. Now the common factors are a minus 22 into a plus 4. Now what is a? A is what? Y squared plus 5y. So resubstituting, value of a, now a minus, a is what? A is y squared minus 5 plus 5y minus 22. We have got one quadratic polynomial here. Again a is here y squared plus 5y plus 4. Again another quadratic polynomial. So these quadratic polynomials we have to try to again factorize it. So if it is factorizable, then we can factorize it, otherwise leave it as it is. Now 22, see 22 you split minus 22 y squared. Split in such a way that minus middle term we should get plus 5y. So here this 11 2's is 22. There is no other factor. 11 plus 2 is 13. 11 minus 2 will give you as 9. So no chance to get 5. Why? So we cannot factorize this quadratic polynomial. Now let us come to this one. 4. 4y squared. So 4 can be split as 4y squared. This can be split as what? 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Y, only y. But middle term plus. So we'll put plus into plus, plus 4 ones are 4. So 4y and plus y we will get plus 5y. So therefore only this second one is can be split it, the other one leave it as this. So therefore here this one is y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. Now here y, from this two term y into y plus 4, then plus here nothing is common, is 1. So y plus 4. Now we have got y plus 4 as one factor. The other one is y plus 1 as the other factor. Therefore the factors are y plus y square plus 5y minus 22 into here y plus 4 and into y minus y plus 1. These are the three factors of this quadrant of this polynomial.